Since the gradual reopening of the country, the Ministry of Transport Works and Water Resources, formerly the Ministry of Transport Works and Maintenance, has been completing a number of road projects. These projects were delayed due to the government order shutdown of all construction sites because of the outbreak of the coronavirus pandemic. Two such projects were the Redmond Road and Fruitful Hill projects in St. Andrew and St. Joseph. Senior technician at the Higgins Depot, Mr. Anthony Adamson, spoke to us about the project at Redmond Road.
This project started on the 1st of November and ended around, say, the last week in June. We had a break for the COVID between the end of March, April and May. I'd say it took about 6 months to be completed. What we did here, we improved the drainage system and also the carriageway, which was very muddy before. This includes putting in slippery curb walls, and we did the accommodation works to every house so that everybody be comfortable.
Mr. Anderson stated that the road, which runs about 144 meters in length and 5.3 meters in width, was in a deplorable state before being corrected.
We had water settling all in the road and it was very soft and mucky. So what we did, we excavate, fill in and compact. And now we are at a stage where we have black nylon road. And all the residents were very cooperative and they are very happy. And all the rain that we had yesterday and Sunday, as you can see, no water is settling on the road, nothing like that.
The senior technician also spoke on the project at Fruitful Hill, which has had its fair share of issues.
We started it in August last year, and it's between St. Andrew and St. Joseph. And it's just about 500 meters in length, and it goes right back up to the very last house in that section of the road. It was a very bad too also, and over the period of time that we were working on it, we had problems with the rain, washing away materials, and then sometimes we had problems with the equipment also. But so far, it's good, everybody's happy. Sometimes when the rain falls, it's very wet and rugged, and people in the district, the residents that have cars, find it difficult to get up to their homes. So then we did realign the road, put in gabions, put in slipping curb where necessary, improve the drainage, and improve the accommodation works so everyone can get to their home comfortably.
The depot has been currently working on two projects in Parks Road and Dark Hole in St. Joseph. At Parks Road, the road has been paved after major gabion stabilization work. In Dark Hole, where the work is ongoing, gabion work and realignment must be done before the road can be paved and reopened.